Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A2X, and I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. So Niagara is a very minimalistic launcher. It's really great because it's lightweight and you have 99 features here. Here we have only favorite apps on the home screen. You have the fast search using the alphabetical line. For example, if you want to find the YouTube, just type your finger on the Y. Assistant A, Files F, I don't know, maybe Photos on P, and all you need you can do in one move. Of course, you can search apps using normal search, but I don't like this search. If you will try alphabetical line, you will like it. Open the home screen and let's see on this main menu and on these home screens. This is the standard OPPO launcher and it's beautiful, it's great, and I have located on the second place in my top because I really like it. It looks cool. It's really better than standard Android launcher. It's minimalistic, fine looks, and I don't know, it's cozy, and because of it I like this launcher. I like this launcher because it's cool. And I have located this launcher on the second place in my top. But on the first place in my top is Microsoft launcher. Firstly, because it's beautiful. It looks cool. Maybe not in the main menu, but on the home screen it looks cool. On the left panel you have the glance. In the glance you can locate all your widgets, all widgets, and then you don't need to move between thousands of home screens to find applications. And to find widgets, all widgets you have here on your left panel. Then in the main menu we have the alphabetical line. In the alphabetical line, using this line we can fastly search for applications we need. Here we have search, voice search, Bing search. Using the 3 dots button we can hide applications and hidden apps feature. It's really great feature because, for example, you can hide applications you don't need and they prevent you to use your phone in normal way. For example, clone phone application, I can't uninstall it. This is the pre-installed app, and I just don't want to see it every day in my main menu. Launcher settings, for example, messages, I don't need it in my main menu. Nirvana, screen lock, weather, wallet, for example. So great, that's it. And of course, the last killer feature of this launcher is the gestures. You can set up over the 10 gestures to make what you want. For example, now using the 2-finger swipe up, I've opened the calculator. Using this launcher you can really boost your life, and it's good. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.